Hi, my name is Kara Foley and I am the literacy coach at Lynchburg Clay Elementary. This video is going to be focusing on syllable types and how we can use syllable types to decode multisyllabic words. In the English language, there are 6 syllable types. The first ones we teach students are open and closed syllables. A closed syllable is one vowel closed in by a consonant or a group of consonants. This is the most common syllable type. It's in about 50% of syllables. An open syllable is when a single vowel is at the end of a syllable and it says its long sound. Consonant LE syllables are at the end of a word and have a consonant with an L and a silent E. Next, vowel team syllables contain 2 or more letters working together to make one vowel sound. This also includes diphthongs. Magic E syllables have a silent E where the vowel sound is long. R-controlled vowels is a vowel controlled by the R following after it. Syllable types help students decode multisyllable words. After learning syllable types, students can use syllable division to chunk a word into syllables. They do this by noticing the vowels in a word and then the number of consonants after the vowel. The number of vowel sounds in a word tells the reader how many syllables are in that word. For example, when a vowel is followed by 2 consonants, it takes in the syllable division that is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel syllable division, where you divide between the 2 consonants to create a closed syllable in the first syllable. For example, think of the word napkin. Napkin has 2 vowels, so you know it's 2 syllables, an A and an I. And then the A is followed by a P and a K, which would be the 2 consonants between the 2 vowels. And if you divide right between the 2 consonants, you would have nap in your first syllable and kin in your second syllable. Nap, kin. When a vowel is followed by 1 consonant, it is most likely going to be an open syllable, where the vowel would say its long sound. In the word silent, there are 2 vowels, an I and an E. And the I is followed by 1 consonant, which would mean it's most likely going to be an open syllable in the first syllable, sigh, and then the second syllable, lent, is a closed syllable. In the word scramble, you have a consonant LE at the end of a word. So that consonant, the BLE, is a consonant LE syllable type. In the word playground, you have an AY, so that's a vowel team syllable. And you have OU, which is a diphthong, saying ow in the word ground. So it's a 2-syllable word with 2 different vowel teams. An example of a magic E syllable type would be like in the word invite. In the word invite, there are 3 vowels. However, the very last vowel is a silent E that does not have a sound. That silent E is making the vowel in the second syllable say its name, vite. In the first syllable, in is closed because after the vowel I, we have 2 consonants following it, so you would divide between the N and the V to have invite. An example of an R-controlled vowel syllable would be like in the word charter. There are 2 vowel-controlled R's in there, AR saying R and ER saying Words can have combinations of syllable types. So knowledge of syllable types helps students gain confidence in decoding words. Once students have practiced decoding, automaticity can be built with practice. When students are more automatic at the word level, sentence level fluency with multisyllable words is the next step. These videos are meant for parents as an introduction into the science of reading and how we are using this research to teach our students how to read. While these videos so far have focused on phonemic awareness and phonics skills, the science of reading also explains the importance of fluency skills, background knowledge, vocabulary, and writing, and comprehension instruction. Information on these skills we focused on in later videos. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. I'm very excited about implementing the science of reading into our classrooms.